Once again, a very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to Bynavas by Tata English Medium School. Children, today we will understand a reading practice from our stencil textbook of grammar, page number 63. Here, today we will understand a passage. Now we will understand how to answer it. Reading comprehension skills. Dear children, a comprehension is a skill to understand a given passage and answer the given questions. The best way to improve on each of these aspects is consistent practice, particularly focusing on the area which needs the most attention. You should keep going on the practices. Children, you should even focus on the vocabulary section. Read with full concentration. Children, the idea behind the reading the text slowly at the initial stage is to grab the idea of the text at an early stage of reading. Means children, you need to read slowly whatever you read and understand the idea. Children, you can even highlight the main points. Read it peacefully whatever you read. Children, there are 6 questions to keep in mind, and they are who, what, when, where, how, and why. Why we should keep these questions in our mind? To answer the questions that are being asked to us for the given passage and search out for the answers. So children, now we will start our reading practice 1 from our stencils textbook of grammar, page number 63. So children, please turn on to page number 63. Now here, what is been given to us? Read this story. Here a short passage is been given to us. We will read and understand it. So you all need to read with me. Shasha likes the garden. Now here can you see a boy? His name is Shasha. And what do he likes? He likes the garden. He is playing around the mango tree. So, Shasha is playing around a mango tree. He jumps, he hops, he runs around the tree. So, what does Shasha do, children? Shasha jumps, Shasha hops, and he even runs around the tree. Up on the tree lives Rajul, R-A-J-U-L, Rajul, the squirrel. So, up on the tree, who lived, children? Yes, correct. A squirrel, as you can see here in the picture. And the name of the squirrel was Rajul. She is watching Shasha. So, the squirrel is watching whom? Shasha. She wants to play also. Now the squirrel also wants to play. Rajul runs down from the tree. Now the squirrel also wants to play. So what did she did, children? She ran down from the tree. She wants to be friends with Shasha. So she wanted to be friend of whom? Of the boy Shasha. But how? Will Shasha play with her tiny squirrel? But how is it possible to play with a tiny squirrel, children? Shasha notices a squirrel following him and he stops. But Shasha is also very clever. He noticed that the squirrel is following him. So, he sits down on the grass. So, he sits on the ground. And there was a grass on the ground. Rajul runs up on his lap. So the squirrel runs on his lap. Shasha says hello. Rajul says hello. So now the boy Shasha and the squirrel Rajul, they both are friends. Then they both run around the mango tree. Shasha has a new friend. So now they both are friends and they run around the mango tree. And like this, they both were each other's friend. Now children, here some questions are also been given to us. Now we had understood this story. We will answer the question that is being asked to us from the passage. So read the first question. What does Sasha like? So what does Sasha like, children? We have to search the answer from the passage. So you can see in the first line, what has been given to us? Sasha likes the garden. So here answer Sasha likes the is already given to us. What you will write? You will only write garden and then full stop is also been given to us. So like this you need to complete the answer by writing GARDEN, garden. Sasha likes the garden. Now next, where is Sasha playing? So where is he playing? Again come to the first line and continue the sentence. He is playing around the mango tree. So now here you can see that we had already been given in the answer that Sasha is playing around. What you have to write? You will write mango tree, MANGO, mango, TREE, tree, as we had searched it out from the passage. Next, what does Rajul want to do? So what does Rajul want to do? So come to the fourth line and look here. She wants to be friends with Sasha is already given to us. So in answer, read with me. Rajul wants to be. Now what you will write over here? Friends. FRIENDS, friends, as it is already been given to us with Sasha. So children, like this you need to answer the questions carefully from the passage that is given to us. Now children, today this much work only you will do from your stencils textbook of grammar, page number 63. Today I am not going to give you any worksheet. You need to read the passage again and again and answer the questions by yourself and complete your this page. Tomorrow we will continue further. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you dear children. Bye.